Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add business days excluding weekends with formula to add days excluding weekends. You can do as below. Select a blank cell and type this formula equals workday, A2, B2, and press Enter key to get result. Tip: in the formula, A2 is the start date, B2 is the days you want to add.
Take our lead.
Option number 1. Create a fixed list of weekdays only, no formulas required. First enter your starting date into a cell. Now click and drag the autofill button to display dates going forward. When you release your mouse button, Excel will display the autofill options box. The 2nd of November 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
The network days function in Excel returns the number of workdays between two dates, excluding weekends and, optionally, the holidays you specify. The first two arguments are obligatory and the third one is optional. Start_date. Initial date from which to start counting working days. 20 May 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.